Hey, Bridget. Are we having some grapes out on the farm? Taking a quick little snack break. It can't just be all work. Are you picking a few weeds while you're eating your grapes? Yeah. Those good? Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Those look tasty. Those good? Got your overalls on?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's gonna be about 70 degrees today.
Yeah.
We'll take full advantage of it.
No.
Oh, you looking for Splish and Splash? Say, come here, ducks. I think they're enjoying the pond. Just as much as you're enjoying those grapes. I don't know where they're at, Bridgie. You gotta find the right one. Oh yeah? Yeah, those so good? So good you dropped it.
Yeah.
Oh. Found a corn cob, did we? We're gonna use a corn cob utensil.
Yeah.
Ingenuity. Oh. Are you gonna put a few onion in there? A little green onion in there?
Yeah.
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 Yeah?
Yeah.
Can't tell if it was you or the onion that was screaming.
Go.
Oh, you do see the ducks. They're way over there. All right, Bridget, you want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye.